Hi everyone, this is Hyoko. 皆さんこんにちは、Hyoko です。Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. In the last video, we learned how to say our age in Japanese. In this video, we're going to look at how to spell your age in Japanese. Let's get right into it. How is the counter sai spelled in kanji? You may have seen this one or this one. The concepts attached to these two kanji are very different. This kanji sai means year. You may have seen a word such as saimatsu, year end, or sainyu, annual revenue. On the other hand, this kanji sai means gift, talent, aptitude, among others, things that concern people's abilities. However, this sai is also used for age as well. It is partly because in Japan, we don't learn this kanji in elementary school, but we learn it in junior high school. So before we learn this sai, we use this sai as a simpler version, which we learn in the second grade in elementary school. After we learn this kanji sai, most people use this kanji to spell an age, but some people may still use this kanji depending on the purpose of the writing, style of the writing, and so on. To summarize, if you already know this kanji, sai, you can use this one to spell an age, but if you haven't learned this kanji yet, you can use a simpler version until you learn the other. Alright, how was it? Thank you for watching and see you next time. それではまた次回お会いいたしましょう。さよなら。